Hey everyone, in today's video I'm going to show you how to activate Hey Google on your Android device. So stick around until the end to learn all the steps and tips to enable voice commands and make your life easier. So let's get started. So navigate to your settings. Now in the settings, scroll down until you find Google. Click on it. Now scroll down and click on this settings for Google app. And here in settings, you will see this option of search, assistant and voice. Click on it. And here in settings, you can see we have this option of Google Assistant. Click on it. Here the very first option is Hey Google and Voice Match. Click on it. Now in this menu, you will find this option of Hey Google. So toggle this on. And next you will need to train the assistant to recognize your voice. So here you have to repeat the sentences that it will ask you to. And this will help your Google Assistant to recognize your voice more accurately. And that's it. Your Hey Google is now set up and ready to go. And that's all for today's video. Leave a comment and let us know if this is helpful. Thanks for watching.